Hollis, and I teach here thanks to Carlos and Jorge. I think they're a very good team. They're very nice people, and that helps. You know, I don't feel like they take care of things in a good way. So that's definitely something that helps me. If I'm going to go far away to work with people, I want it to be very organized. Like, I'm very picky about which workshops I do. It's like a beautiful farmland. This is a mix. It's like tropical island crossed with farmland. So it's romantic in a way, but it's also down to earth in a way too. So it's fairly unique. Every morning I get up, I notice how beautiful the sunrises is and the sunsets are beautiful. I think it's something to do with the island maybe too. It's very pretty. It feels like island life in a way, where the weather is changing a lot. You know, so there's energy in the weather, so I like that. It's a good opportunity to see different parts of the world and meet nice people. As much as it's like a vacation, it's also a lot of work. You can talk about painting all day. Sometimes you don't want to talk about painting all day. So sometimes you want to talk about, let's have a glass of wine, let's have dinner, let's just hang out and talk about music. So sometimes when I'm with the students, I want to talk about other things after the class. Teaching art is weird because it's so personal, so I can tell people how to make it look a certain way, but I don't like to take away what their personal idea is. So I want to hopefully help them become interested in the paintings. So I want to be able to be honest with them and say, painting isn't necessarily to make you happy. The best painters are doing it because it makes them interested more in their life.